More than 30 years after my military service, I was finally approved. It was supposed to help me with the medical bills. And for the first time in years, I had some breathing room. But not everybody saw it that way. In my own family, something felt off. Conversations started happening, suspicion, then monitoring. I believe they saw the extra money, but not where it came from. Then the accusations started, and what began inside the family started moving into the system. Soon it was more than family conflict. Felony charges were filed against me and my household. After all of our bail, bond conditions, ankle monitoring, and 3 years, 7 months, and 19 days, the cases did not end in convictions. 15 charges were ultimately dismissed, or nolle prosequi. I'll leave it to you to find out why. But the damages did not end there. While the legal battle continued, the property deteriorated. Personal property was stolen, multiple police reports filed, and the cost kept growing. As of this date, I'm still being denied the access to the home I lived in, and from what remains of our personal property, we collected over a lifetime. Even after the charges were dropped, the legal bills keep coming. I'm in probate, a will contest, and now in civil litigation against my accusers. I never imagined I would spend years fighting what was my own family. There are lots of documents, court filings, bank records, dismissed charges after concerns were raised under Tennessee Rules of Professional Conduct 3.3 and 3.8, and a property left to deteriorate. The criminal charges collapsed, but the fight did not end. I am now well over $100,000 into legal fees, bond, monitoring, and litigation. There's a twist to this story that really needs to be told, but I can't tell it here. I'm not asking anyone to take my word for it. I'm asking someone to look at the evidence. If you are a journalist, investigator, legal or civil rights commentator, or creator willing to examine this story, I would appreciate if you contact me, because the full story has never been told. And if it can happen to me, well,